Good afternoon, Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection. I wanted to do a quick visual video walk around of the car while we had it in the shop today. We were filming the driving videos and some other things, and in the comments yesterday, one of the guys that knows this car mentioned why it only received silver instead of gold, and I was able to look closely at this cowl area, and under close inspection, and I don't know if you can see it, there are some imperfections, almost like little bubbling areas on this cowl. It's the only place on the car that's evident, and you kind of have to look close to see it, so hopefully you can, but that's probably the difference between this car achieving its gold and the silver that it did get. But while I'm showing you that, I may as well show you the rest of the car. Just stunning. Chrome's all great. Interior's just perfect in this car. I really love the red. I did straighten out the shift knob there too, so for those of you who are curious. And there you have it. Look forward to our driving videos. Thanks, guys.